What if I told you that just 100 could turn into 10,000? Sounds impossible, right? But here's the truth. The world's richest entrepreneurs started with little money. They just knew how to make it work for them. In this video, I'll show you 3 proven methods to multiply your money, even with zero experience. Stay until the end, because the last method is the most powerful and easiest to start. 1. Reselling high-demand products. Instead of creating a product, buy trending items cheaply and resell them at a profit. Popular categories: phone accessories, electronics, beauty products, and collectibles. Thrift store finds, flip branded fashion online. Liquidation sales, buy discounted items and resell. Where to source products: AliExpress and Alibaba, wholesale prices. Thrift stores, find valuable brands. Clearance and liquidation sales, businesses selling cheap. Sell on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, and Shopify to reach buyers fast. Reinvest profits, 100, 200, 500, and soon you're making serious money. Many 6-figure entrepreneurs started with simple reselling. 2. Selling digital products. Create once, sell forever. Unlike physical products, digital products have zero inventory costs and high profit margins. What to sell: ebooks, short guides on fitness, business, or personal development. Online courses, teach skills like graphic design or language learning. Social media templates, businesses need Instagram, TikTok content. AI-generated content, sell resumes, blog posts, and ads on Fiverr. AI tools make it easy. ChatGPT writes ebooks, and Canva designs templates fast. Where to sell: Etsy, for templates and planners. Gumroad, ebooks and courses. Fiverr and Upwork, AI-generated content. If you sell a digital product for $20, you only need 500 sales to hit $10,000. 3. AI automation, make money on autopilot. AI is revolutionizing business. Use it to make money while you sleep. AI content creation. Sell AI-generated blog posts, product descriptions, or ads. YouTube automation. Make faceless videos using AI voiceovers and stock footage. Then monetize. AI-generated art and logos. Sell logos made with Canva and Luca on Fiverr. AI copywriting. Write ads, sales pages, and website content with Jasper AI. Example: people are making $5,000 a month selling AI-generated children's books on Amazon Kindle without writing a word. The secret: find a profitable niche and offer what businesses already need. Now you know 3 powerful ways to turn $100 into $10,000. So which one will you start first? Drop a comment below. And if you got value from this, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-making tips. Remember, the best investment is in yourself. Take action today, and I'll see you in the next video.